We go inside the wee one bedroom cottage or wee tiny house we've built. So 250,000 baht. And you'll see what you get for the money, eh? There's a big porch as well, that's another big plus about it. But it's no finish. I mean, maybe next week I'll spend another 5 days or 4 days to complete and tidy it all up, paint it. So, but this is basically this here is going to be the bedroom in this section here. But I'm putting up a stud partition on Monday or Tuesday, and on the ceiling's got the light switches. They'll come down the partition and it'll be plasterboard, and we'll put a door on. So that's a separate bedroom, and off the bedroom we're making a recess for a wardrobe. That's the air conditioning socket up there. Then round here is for the wardrobe, and that's the door. So just really here's going to be the stud partition. Then after that, that's a light switch for that light. Then down the very bottom is going to be a kitchen, but we've decided to leave it with a bed settee and the TV on that side, so that gets you extra accommodation. And this side, the TV can go on that wall and the sofa can go here. It's just a bit small furniture. Then here's the shower. The shower's going to go in here, and it's a good size. We've made it a lot larger than what it was. And then that's the wash-hand basin, and the toilet's going to go. The toilet's going to go here when it's next week. And here is a fan, because a lot of times in the showers or toilets, people always tell me, oh, it's hot, so we'll put a fan in, a wall fan. Then that's going to be the kitchen in here, well, kitchenette, microwave, and we'll make brackets and small kitchen here. Then here, this is going to be for the washing machine on this corner. Then the other side is going to be for the fridge freezer. So you have the fridge freezer, washing machine, and place to wash the dishes, make tea, coffee and stuff like that. The outside will make a place for cooking outside. But that's another job, eh? I think we'll make a sort of area for cooking and eating. But the bed settee suite can go up, only go down at night, and then in the daytime you can sit on it, so that'll give us more room. Then I think maybe here can be a small table and chairs. So surely that's it. Just a pity about the door. It's a pity where I put the door. If I'd put the door at a different position, where the door is, that would have been a perfect place to make a wee small place for the TV and the couch. But I can't change it now. Sorry, they done. Okay. But 250,000 is all it cost. So, but another next week I'll clear it and paint it, and then I'll show you the inside. But I think it's as good as a condo, that's for sure. And the condos are fetching about 7,000-8,000 baht a month for a tiny condo. So this will, if you went on 5,000 baht a month to rent all this land and rent that sort of small house here, then it's value for money. And down here can be the barbecue, down here. It's just laying it out. The cars can sit here. At the back of the car we can extend the porch. We can make that into a place for cooking at the back and for a table and chairs. But we'll see what happens. I'm not in any hurry. But it takes until maybe January now, because things will slow down for Christmas. But if you fancy a plot of land like this, just over here, then 250,000 baht for one rai. I'm not sure about rentals, maybe rental 1,000 baht a month for one rai of land. But could do a 10-year rental. I mean, I don't know what my daughter's going to do the land after. I mean, I'm not going to use it, that's for sure. And next week we'll basically clear it a bit. Last week we've cut all the grass in it and we need to burn it now. And then after that, just basically clean it up. And then solar lights going on the lampposts. We've got all the electric poles up, so we'll turn into light posts as well. Next week, order maybe six 6 solar cell lights. But there's nothing nicer than having a place in the country close to the city. But I've got an apartment in the city, so I've never stayed in it, but I can go down at any time and use it. I'm quite happy living in the country. I didn't miss the city anymore. And this is I've done this on the Friday, all the water pipes for the here, and to collect water. So we've got six taps, and we're going to have 6 buckets. Then look after the mangoes, and this will be full of fruit trees, and no long. Just when I've got Udon, I see there's a big market there at the moment. Come from South Thailand, I'll buy some big trees. So I'll get the excavator in, and I'll dig some big holes and plant some nice big trees. But after maybe, I don't know, after maybe a few years, when it's established, it'll look nice. There's another tap over here. That's her mother's, that's my wife's mother's house, land over here. She's got all that land. But her land's all got nice big trees on it. No, my land, but nice. I'd love to have that and then put a nice house in there. But this land never had trees on it. It had eucalyptus. Same as down the bottom of that. This whole land was full of eucalyptus. But we chopped them all down and ripped them out. Okay doke, I'm going to go home now and put my legs up and rest. See how the crypto's getting on. The crypto's up and down like a yo-yo at the moment. It's no stable. So a lot of money's getting lost, that's for sure. But hope for next year, for big money hopefully. Okay doke, bye bye for now.